Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website at www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. When I was a teenager growing up in the 1980s, it was not uncommon for punk kids to have pet rats that they would often carry around with them in the inside pocket of their jackets, and sometimes they'd get them out and let them run around on their shoulders. They were a kind of punk fashion accessory in many ways, I guess. And this left quite a strong impression on me. So this morning, in one of my classes, when a student of mine revealed the fact that she had a pet rat, I asked her immediately, "Oh, do you keep it in your inside jacket pocket and get it out and allow it to run around on your shoulders?" She looked slightly bemused by this question and just said, "No," to which I replied, "You're missing a trick. Maybe you should give it a go." If you say that someone is missing a trick, you basically think that they're missing a good opportunity or a good chance to do something fun or something interesting or something worthwhile. To give you another example, during lockdown, one of my students told me that they were now at the stage where they were comfortable just teaching in their dressing gown and that their students were completely cool with this. I responded by saying, "Seriously, I'm a bit jealous actually. I feel like I'm missing a trick. I feel like I'm missing a good opportunity to do this fun thing that you're doing." You'll also often hear this expression used in a kind of negative way, grammatically speaking negative, to talk about people who never miss good opportunities or never miss good chances. So you might hear something like, Dave, he's got a really good eye for a bargain. He never misses a trick. If there's a bargain to be found, he'll find it, trust me. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "you're missing a trick" or "he or she never misses a trick."